Hi guys, welcome to StockBrains, and in this video we will talk about how to prepare for CMT Level 1 exam. So in this video we will discuss about the exam syllabus, what are the questions which can come in CMT exams, and how this CMT curriculum is designed, how to prepare for that, on which chapters should be focused more, on which chapters should be focused less. We will discuss all of that thing. Then we will discuss about the question papers, like how the structure is designed, what kind of questions can come. Then we will discuss how to study, how to prepare for best results, what are the best practices which you can use, which you can apply to clear your CMT exam. Whatever I have done to clear my CMT exams, I'll tell you that as well in the video. Then we will talk about books, notes, website, and any other references which I have used personally, and which I am going to recommend to you so that you can clear your CMT exam. And then we will talk about your preparation schedule, like how should you go about preparing your CMT exam. So we will discuss all of that. Now let's first talk about the CMT level 1 syllabus, and we are discussing this because we want to understand the CMT program first. So in order to understand the CMT program, we need to discuss about the CMT level 1 syllabus. So as we look at this chart, we can see that there are various concepts which are coming in CMT exam, like chart and pattern analysis, confirmation cycle, system testing, statistical analysis, ethics, markets, theory and history, chart construction, and etc. But not all the concepts are having equal weightage. Like if we look at this chart and pattern analysis, then it is having a 23% weightage. Then if we look at trend analysis, then it is having a weightage of 16%. So some chapters are having more weightage, others are having less weightage. Like confirmation cycles, they are having just 3%, 5% weightage. So if we focus more on those concepts, those subjects which are having more weightage, then we are in a better position to clear this exam. Now if we look at four concepts very carefully, like if we look at chart and pattern analysis, from where 23% of the syllabus is coming, if we look at trend analysis, from where 16% is coming, and if we look at the selection and decision making, from where 13% is coming, and if we look at theory and history, from where 9% is coming. So if we combine these four concepts, just these four concepts, if we combine it, then 61% of the syllabus is coming from these four concepts. So if we prepare, if we focus more on these four concepts, then we are in a better position to clear this exam. So that's what I want to say. And in my YouTube videos which I am going to make on CMT level 1 syllabus, I am going to make videos chapter wise. Like in chart and pattern analysis, there are various chapters like candlestick, there is a long term patterns, there is bar chart patterns. So a lot of things are there, and I'll cover everything separately. So basically in my videos I'll tell you where to focus, where not to focus, so that you can clear your exam effectively. And here 80-20 principle has been applied. If you don't know what is 80-20 principle, then I would recommend you to go to the internet and search for 80-20 principle. I would say that you would like it if you read about this 80-20 principle, and we are going to apply the same principle to clear this CMT exam. So that's what I wanted to say, and I'll make my YouTube videos accordingly. Now let's talk about question pattern. What kind of questions come, how the question pattern is designed. Let's talk about that. If we look at the question paper, then 132 question comes, out of which 120 questions will be marked. What I mean to say is that the marking will be given only on 120 questions, but the total questions that you need to solve is 132. That means 12 questions are kept as reserve. And in case if any question gets wrong, in case if any misprint happens through CMT association, then they will remove that question and they will bring that reserve question, and they will give marking on that reserve question as well. So you need to solve 132 questions, but you will be given marking on 120 questions, and we don't know what these reserve questions will be, and we need to solve all the 132 questions in just 2 hours. So you need to manage time in order to complete the exam. And I think that difficulty level is easier in level 1, but you need to be prepared to clear this exam. And there is no negative marking, so you can ticket any question, and if the answer goes right, then you will get full marks. But if the answer is wrong, then no negative marking will happen. So if we look at the question pattern, then the question pattern looks like this. So you will have four choices, and among these four choices you will have to select one, and if the answer is correct, then you will get marks. If the answer is wrong, then you will not get marks definitely, but there will not be any negative marking. So it is recommended that you tick answers to every questions, right? So please solve all the answers. Even if you don't know the answer, please tick on any answer, and if the answer gets right, you will get marks, right? And giving mock tests is recommended, and I highly recommend you to give mock tests. You should solve at least 2 mock tests to check where you are standing, whether you will be able to clear the CMT exam or not. You will get that feedback if you solve these mock tests. That's what I would say. And if I talk about fees, then fees is something which I think everybody would want to know more about, because everybody wants to pay less fees, everybody wants waiver. So I'll discuss this thing in another video so that you can understand this concept of fees very clearly. And if you want to know about my video on fees, which I will upload later on, then you can follow my channel, and the name is Stock Brains. And if you subscribe to this channel, then you will get all the notifications on the videos which I am going to upload. And whenever I upload a video on CMT fees or any other video which I am going to upload in future, then you will get notification about that. So please follow my channel, please subscribe to my channel if you want to watch more videos related to CMT, and please like this video if you are getting any value from this video. Now let's talk about books, mock tests, and other preparation material. So if I talk about book, then the book costs around 15,000. Here the cost is 14,690. And if I talk in the US dollars, then the book cost is around $200. So in Indian rupees, the book will cost you around 15,000. And the book is 1 year old. So if you want to buy the latest edition, then it will cost you more. So if you want to prepare, then you can buy that. I would always recommend you to buy the latest version. And many people ask me that please give me the PDF version of the book for free, give me the pirated version, give me the PDF version please. So to those people I want to say that I don't give any pirated version books. I don't have any pirated version book, and I would recommend you to buy the book online or from anywhere else, but please pay to the author. Whoever is writing, please pay them well. Don't try to get things for free. And that's what I would say. So I would recommend you to buy the book online or from any other source. If you want the book, you can get the link in the description. You can buy it from there, or you can buy it from anywhere else. Now if I talk about websites for CMT preparation, then in our CMT course we are going to use 3 websites very oftenly, and whatever videos I am going to make, I'll use these 3 websites very extensively. So the first website name is tradingview.com, and we will use that to read charts. If you want to draw any chart patterns, then we will use tradingview.com, and it is a free website, so there is no issue, there is no harm. You can register free of cost and you can do whatever you want to with the charts. And the second website which I am going to recommend is stockcharts.com, and that you can use for technical analysis concepts. If you want to understand technical analysis concepts like RSI, MACD, candlesticks very well, then you can use stockcharts.com. Then we will use investopedia.com to understand basic financial terminologies like options, futures, and so on. So these are the websites which we are going to use, and I would recommend you to go through it if you want to clear the CMT exam. Now let's talk about how to prepare for the CMT exam, how to complete the syllabus, and how to revise to clear the CMT exam. So what I recommend is that every day if you read one chapter, then in 45 days you will be able to complete all the 45 chapters which are there in your CMT curriculum. So in 45 days you will clear all the syllabus, and you keep aside 15 days for revision, for giving mock test. So if you want to revise, then you can revise 3 to 4 chapters in a day. That's what I would suggest, and that's how I have prepared myself to clear the CMT exam. So I would recommend to you the same thing. Whatever I have followed, I will tell you only that thing only, because it is practical and it is possible to read and complete one chapter a day. So I would recommend you to do that. Now I would say that you read first from the book, then you watch my video, then you go through all the notes which I am going to give you in the description box below my video. So first, if you read the book, then you will get some understanding about the concepts which are there in the chapter, and after watching my videos you will get complete understanding about the subject which you are reading. And if you go through all the notes which I am going to give you in the description box, then you will get a complete understanding of CMT syllabus, and you will be able to clear exam very easily and give some time for revision as well. And solve at least 2 mock tests if you want to clear the CMT exam. And whenever you solve a mock test, you get to know your current position. And if you are getting less than 70% marks, then it is a danger sign. But if you are getting more than 70% marks in your mock test, then I think it is a good sign. And if you get more than 70% in your mock test, then it is very likely that you will clear the CMT exam. So thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you have any questions, you can ask me below in the comment section. I'll try to solve all of these questions in the best possible way. And if you want to contact me, you can connect with me on Instagram, on mail, or you can comment me in the YouTube video, and I'll try to answer all of your questions. So thank you for watching this video, and see you next time.